Hey everyone, Brad here from BD Diesel, coming to you from the transmission shop floor. Here we have our valve body tester, where all of our valve bodies are tested before they reach you or go into one of our transmissions. Testing today, we got a 48RE valve body on the tester here. I'll run through a functional test of how we make sure that everything's good. This piece of test equipment is working alongside a SuperFlow super shifter, which we use to control all the electronics. So while we have it on the valve body tester, we can adjust our pressures, specifically on the 47-48 models. This is our mainline pressure gauge here. You can see we're sitting nicely around 100 PSI. That's going to be our base, mimicking when we're at a stop. We stroke the throttle, so we can see that we can achieve up to 200 PSI here on a fully stroked throttle valve, making sure that the pressure returns nicely. After pressures are verified, we run a shift test. We'll run a test at no throttle, making sure we got each gear along with lockup. And then we run our test at various throttle percentages to make sure that we are not getting any stack shifts or shift overlap, or maybe a 1-3 shift, which is a fairly common complaint on stock 47-48RE valve bodies. See, second gear comes on, matching mainline pressure at 200 PSI. Coming up into third gear. We can see our shifts are nicely spaced apart. Up into overdrive and lockup. So this valve body has been given a clean bill of health and is ready to be installed in one of our transmissions or boxed up for an individual valve body sale. Every one of our valve bodies is tested on this machine. We've made multiple plates for different configurations and different applications, such as Duramax, 68 RFE, and of course the 47-48 that we're seeing here.